English Yarn Cue.
Lesson 14. Storms and Hurricanes. The biggest storms. Today we will discover two of the most destructive storms in the world. The first storm is Super Typhoon Nina in 1975. As it stalled over the mainland, Nina cracked out 42 inches, 1,060 millimeters of rain in 24 hours. The deluge collapsed the Ban Chao Dam and destroyed more than 60 other dams along with it. In all, Nina collapsed almost 6 million buildings and affected 11 million people, running up an economic toll of $1.2 billion. The second one is known as the Vargas tragedy, which befell the Vargas coast in Venezuela in December 1999. The storm poured a year's worth of rain down on the vertical slopes of Sierra de Avila mountains, triggering flooding and some of the most massive landslides and debris flows in world history. The subsequent devastation smashed more than 8,000 homes and 700 apartment buildings. It wrecked roads, telephone and power lines and water and sewage systems, running up a total bill of around $1.79 billion. So, what have we learnt today? Let's listen and repeat the words. Deluge, economic, toll, tragedy, befell, vertical, slope, debris, history, smash, sewage, deluge, economic, toll, tragedy, befell, vertical, slope, debris, history, smash, sewage, quick quiz. When did the Super Typhoon Nina happen? Super Typhoon Nina was in 1975. How much did the Vargas tragedy run up? It ran up a total bill of $1.79 billion. Find a picture of deluge. Here it is. Now, let's sing our song today.
Well, Abacus, it's like this. Electricity gathers in a cloud when frozen rain and bits of ice are bumping all around. Electricity leaping toward the ground. Lightning is the flash of light. Thunder is its sound.
What is thunder?
Thunder is the sound that lightning makes. Lightning leaves the cloud, headed for the ground, pushing air around, making booming sound.
Thunder is the sound that lightning makes. Lightning leaves a cloud, heading for the ground, pushing air around, making booming sound.
Boom! Crash! Crack! Snap! Boom! Crash! Crack! Snap! Thunder is the sound.
Boom! Crash! Crack! Snap! Boom! Crash! Crack! Snap!
Thunder is the sound. Electricity leaping toward the ground. Lightning is the flash of light. Thunder is its sound.
That is the end of lesson 14, The Biggest Storms. Remember to learn the vocabulary and the song. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.